Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip 5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on voice typing in Samsung Keyboard and Gboard and then use it. First of all, you need to access your keyboard. I will start with Samsung one. To start typing, click on the microphone icon located at the top. If it's not visible, select this gear next to three dots. Then scroll all the way down in Samsung Keyboard settings. Tap on Voice Input and select Samsung or Google Voice Typing. I will go with Google one. Then go back to your keyboard and click on Now Visible Microphone icon. So when I do that, as you can see, voice typing is on. You can tap on this microphone to pause or unpause it. When you finish, click on the microphone again and click on this arrow at the top right corner to go back. If you are using Gboard though, I need to change mine real quick. So in Gboard keyboard, click on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, select gear 1 between clipboard and this color palette. Now select voice typing. Click on the gray switcher next to use voice typing and go back. To start typing, click on the microphone icon at the top right corner. And if you never used this option before, select while using the app in the pop-up. Then start typing. When you are finished, click on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!